South Bay Wedding Chapel is facing complaints tonight after a same-sex couple says they were discriminated against while trying to get married there.
News 8's Abby Alford tried to speak to the owners of Anytime Wedding Chapel in Bonita to get some answers.
The couple who tried to get married at this chapel did not want to go on camera, but the people we spoke with say that the gay couple was denied a wedding ceremony. On Friday afternoon, a gay couple called Anytime Wedding Chapel in Bonita to plan their nuptials.
The person who answered the phone blatantly said, "We do not officiate weddings for same-sex couples."
Deborah Gordon, who's also an officiant, was their second call.
Because this is their first time ever reaching out to a vendor, they thought this was the norm.
Gordon says that this is not the norm, but the chapel has made it their norm. Countless Facebook and one-star Yelp reviews dating back to 2015 about the chapel's refusal to perform same-sex weddings, and the business responds because of religious beliefs.
I proceeded to call the Anytime Wedding Chapel.
Gordon inquired about renewing her vows with her partner.
And then they proceeded to tell me the same exact line: "We do not officiate same-sex anything."
In one of the Facebook reviews, it appears the business responded citing the protection of Family Code 400.
It is completely inapplicable in this situation. It really does not apply to a for-profit company that puts together weddings for people.
Jacqueline Venachia is a trial attorney and a member on the board for Equality California. She says this family code only protects an individual officiant, not a business, because of religious beliefs.
This is blatant discrimination.
We called Anytime Wedding Chapel. The woman who answered the phone told me she would not comment until she talked to legal counsel and then hung up.
It would not be likely to stand up in court, I would not imagine.
Despite the Supreme Court nearly ruling in favor of a Colorado baker in 2018 who refused to make a cake for a same-sex wedding, Venachia says that was specific to that case, and justices still urge civility in future cases.
For the most part in California, the courts have found that the anti-discrimination laws extend to same-sex couples.
Still, LGBTQ advocates hope the chapel will do the right thing before it ends up in court. We're told law enforcement would not typically respond to this type of incident. Rather, the chapel would need to be sued in civil court.